This visual explainer gives you a repeatable way to review a UE5 blockout during play mode. It does not present prepared images as live gameplay. The goal is to know what to observe, whether jumps feel fair, whether the next move is visible, whether the camera supports the route, and which single variable to change next. An editor view can show that platforms exist, but it cannot prove that their spacing feels good while moving. In the editor, you see the plan from above. In play mode, you experience the route from the player camera, with acceleration, jump timing, collision, and limited visibility. Both views answer different questions. Most early jump difficulty comes from gap distance, height change, and landing size. A longer gap gives less margin. A higher landing changes the required timing. A smaller landing makes a successful jump harder to recover. Change only one variable between tests so you can tell which adjustment improved or damaged the experience. The first jump should teach the route, not test mastery. Keep the gap short, the height change small, and the landing wide enough for imperfect input. Later jumps can become more demanding after the player understands movement. A fair route introduces one difficulty increase at a time instead of changing every variable together. Before a player jumps, they should usually see where they can land. A platform hidden behind another object, outside the camera view, or around a sudden turn creates confusion that feels like difficulty. Improve visibility by moving the landing, reducing obstruction, changing height, or using geometry to frame the next direction. Begin every test from the actual player start. Let the camera settle, then ask whether the first move is visible without rotating wildly. Check whether walls block the camera, whether the character fills too much of the view, and whether the route points forward. A good start teaches direction before the first jump. Use the same loop every time. Edit one variable, enter play mode, observe the exact moment that feels wrong, exit, and make one targeted improvement. Write down the problem in player language, such as I cannot see the landing, instead of editor language, such as platform 4 is at the wrong coordinate. After a run, answer 5 questions. Was the first move obvious? Was every landing visible before the jump? Did any collision surprise the player? Did the camera hide important information? What is the one change to test next? This short report turns random tweaking into a learning process. Next, we will explain blueprint interactions as event, check, and response.